Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We have another earwax extraction video for you. Very hairy ear canal, very dry wax with lots of bits of hair embedded into it. So I'm going to go in with a Jobson horn to start with this one. Because the wax is so dry, you can try and use suction out. You're not going to get a very good grip. You can improve grip with suction by using a bit of olive oil sometimes, but from my experience with very hairy ear canals like this, olive oil just sits on the hairs and really reduces your view even further with the endoscope. So just using the Jobson horn just to try and get behind this wax. You can see it's completely occluding this ear canal, so lots of hearing issues reported by this patient. Just trying to loosen this as much as we possibly can, but you can see just how tough this wax is. When the wax is very dry, it makes it very hard to remove sometimes. But it's even worse when they have a lot of hair embedded into it, because the hair gels all this kind of wax together. It's all starting to shift this along. It's just starting to move, but you can see just how tough this wax is. It really doesn't want to come out without a fight. There we are, just starting to. There we go. There he comes. You can, if you just at the base of this wax, you'll see there's a bit of skin. When we go in there, you'll see there's a bit of dry skin here. Normally what I would use to remove this is a bit of suction. So I'm just going to go in with a standard size Zollner here just to try and loosen this skin up. But if anyone saw the video earlier on in the week, you can see that you get some really tough skin in there sometimes. It proves really problematic. Same thing, can't get a good grip on this with the suction. And normally what we would do is try and persevere, but I can see just how tough this is. So I'm just going to go in with the standard size Zollner. Sorry, it's jumping around a bit here, but I'm just trying to get a grip on this hard skin and just trying to remove it. You can see it's still holding on in there, so just trying to get this off its source. Yep, I think we got it there. Yeah, there we go. So you can see that hard piece of skin there all come away. And there we are. Ear canal looks nice and healthy. Eardrum looks absolutely fine. Yeah, all looking good, and that's the piece we removed with a bit of dry skin attached to the back of it. So you can see just how hard that looks there. Was it 2.5 centimeters worth thereabouts? But yeah, everything looks nice and healthy, all looking good. As always, guys, keep liking, sharing, subscribing. You're doing a fantastic job, and take care.